HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Here are the main components. AHU filters and conditions fresh air. FCU controls room temperature. Chiller cools water for AC. Boiler heats water. Compressor increases refrigerant pressure. Ducts move air around the building. Diffusers deliver air to rooms, and the thermostat controls the temperature. HVAC calculations include heat load, airflow in CFM, and cooling capacity in TR. Types of HVAC systems include window AC, split AC, centralized AC, VRF, VRV, and ductable AC. This is HVAC, simplified.